Good evening guys, and welcome to my channel Relaxation on Demand. It's a beautiful evening just besides the beach with a sunset and a small bonfire. The waves crashing on the stones really calms my mind, gives me a tranquility. The motorboat on the beach, all these sounds together are so calming. So today I'm gonna share with you a story of a young man who wanted to know the recipe for success. So this young man went to a wise man to ask the secret to success. The wise man listened to the man's question and told him to meet him near the river the next morning for the answer. The next morning, the wise man asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. As they went in the river, the water got up to their neck. But to the young man's surprise, the wise man dug him into the water. The young man struggled to get out of the water, but the wise man was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. The wise man pulled the man's head out of the water. The young man gasped and took a deep breath of air. The wise man asked, "What did you want the most when your head was in the water?" The young man replied, "Air." The wise man said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air while you were in the water, then you will get it. There is no other secret." So ladies and gentlemen, a burning desire is the starting point. Just like a small fire cannot achieve or give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results. If you want success as badly as the air, definitely the efforts will be there. Signing off with this note today. Have a nice day, stay blessed and stay happy. Enjoy this beat sound for a moment before I sign off. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing and supporting my channel.